boy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's September 6, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. It's Scaramucci's. And this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has jumped to 79 from yesterday's 73. Can you feel it? And Nosy Miss Newsbaum social media market sentiment in a rent-controlled apartment in Queens is at 79%, which means every time people talk about Bitcoin has a 79% positivity rate. Bitcoin dominance is up to 41.4%. 24-hour volume is at 122.8 billion. The overall market cap has risen to 2.34 trillion. Give or take a couple hundred million. Over on the 4-hour chart, we see Bitcoin spent a nice relaxing weekend with the accumulatrix, which is a lot better than spending it with the capitulatrix. Crypto paparazzi spotted them dining at LA hotspot Spago before retreating back to the Chateau Marmont Hotel, where they didn't leave their room until Sunday to do yoga with famed crypto yogi Baba Blockchain. It appears whatever they did had a profound effect on Bitcoin, so we saw it explode out of its meditative state from just underneath the 20 moving average, 49.4K, to break 50. Go up and show off a textbook testing of the 50, turning it into support. Although we saw a much needed spike in volume to get us up and over, we are now experiencing low ticket sales again, which is not only normal and expected, but much needed in order to maintain a healthy push-up. It's like my old man used to say, higher highs, higher lows. And there she blows. Now over on the daily, we can see how our week of patience and consolidation has paid off as Bitcoin broke up out of the bull flag stacks. Saturday's spinning candle with the accumulatrix inside their room on the 50th floor of the Chateau Marmont could have gone either way, as the bulls and bears passive-aggressively fought for dominance at the crucial level, for the bulls threw the bears off the balcony and broke to the upside. Today's low volume could be a steam blow-off coupled with the Labor Day holiday. Nonetheless, it's to be expected. Never really having a, quote, normal job, I've always been fascinated with holidays because they never really applied to me. Holiday from what? For who? Me? Why? I also enjoyed the concept of people who received the holiday getting paid to do nothing. Which sounds to me like a pretty good deal. But if there's one thing I know about traders of the sick degen style, it's that a holiday represents another day to make gains. I mean, what else are you gonna do? Go see a movie? No, movies died with Netflix. And television series are like a great 12-hour movie, so there's that. Have the family over for dinner? I guess so, but do yourself a favor and order in. No one wants to spend their holiday in a kitchen working, unless, of course, you're a business owner who doesn't get holidays. Because as a true provider of goods and services and the creators of the real measurable and taxable wealth of a nation, holidays are just another day to hustle hard. And speaking of hustling hard, I spy with my dad eye something that is 50 and heading north to cross the 200 moving average. If you guessed the 50 moving average, you were correct. And it looks like the two will rendezvous at the 50% Fibonacci level. And I mean, yeah, I guess it's all coincidence that all these levels correspond with the fibs. If anyone deserves a holiday named after them, may I suggest perhaps November 23rd as Leo Fibonacci Day. And I'll let you figure that one out. The weekly chart. It's like the child I secretly like the most, but won't admit to anybody except everyone watching this video. We see volume starting to round up, coupled with that mega bullish MACD cross, and I'm the parent that won't shut up about his favorite kid at the barbecue.
This is your captain speaking, and well, folks, now that the hard work has been done, or at least patiently waited for to be completed, we're now in clear skies, cruising altitude is bullish, and the tailwinds will get us to our destination a little bit earlier than expected. Landing in the sunny beaches of 53.4. Gonna refuel, stock the fridge with nuts and mini ginger ales, and then head off to the pristine shores of 56.6K. Just off the coast of the 78.6 Fibonacci levels. Sit back, relax, folks. We're gonna take good care of you here on Bull Run Air. And remember,
we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So sit back. Sit back. Isn't it zoom out? That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Ching.